The internet is full of numbers, but people don't talk in numbers. They use names. How does your computer know where to go when you type in a website like google.com? That's where DNS, or domain name system, the internet's hidden helper, comes in. DNS is like the internet's phone book. It translates easy website names, like google.com, into numbers called IP addresses that computers understand. Without DNS, we would have to remember long numbers for every website. That would be very hard. Here's a simple example to help you understand better. Say you type facebook.com in your browser. DNS finds the exact address of Facebook server so your browser can load the page. Think of DNS as a helpful guide telling your computer where to go to find websites. Here are some points worth knowing about DNS. DNS is hierarchical. It has layers starting from root servers, then top-level domains .com, .org, then specific domain servers. It uses caching to speed up repeated visits by saving IP addresses temporarily. DNS servers cooperate globally, sharing information to make the system quick and reliable. DNS can use multiple IP addresses for one website to balance traffic and avoid overload. There's a security aspect called DNSSEC, or Domain Name System Security Extensions, that helps protect against fake DNS responses. DNS queries can use either UDP or TCP protocols, depending on the size of the data. DNS isn't only for websites. It's also used for email routing, file transfers, and many other internet services. Some DNS servers provide content filtering to block harmful or adult websites. If a DNS server fails, other servers could take over automatically to keep the internet running. DNS can sometimes be slow or attacked, leading to website outages or delays. Here's how to easily understand DNS. Imagine you want to call your friend. You don't memorize their phone number. You look it up in your Contacts app by their name. DNS is like that Contacts app for your computer. It finds the phone number or IP address for the website you want to visit.
Simply click the link below to learn more.